Hi, today we shall discuss the topic area of a triangle. So, area of a triangle from the point of examination, it is very important. It carries 2 marks. So, don't miss ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It is very important for the point of examination and also for CET and for theory. So problem, find the area of a triangle formed by the points 1, 6, 6, 0 and 4, 3. They given 3 points. We have to calculate area of a triangle. So call the first point as x1, y1, second point as x2, y2 and third point as x3, y3. So given what given the first point x1, y1, second point as x2, y2, okay, third point as x3, y3. So call the first point as x1, y1, it is 1, 6, second point as 6, 0, third point as 4, 3, right? Next we have formula, area of a triangle formula. The area of triangle is A equals half into determinant of first point x1, y1, second point x2, y2, third point x3, y3. That is 1, 1, 1. This is the area of a triangle formula. Substitute the values 1 by 2. Yes. First point 1, 6. Second point 6, 0. Third point 4, 3. Next to 1, 1, 1. Okay. Next half into big bracket expansion 1 into. So neglect the first row and corresponding column where the element 1 belongs. So 1, leave this row and leave this column, remaining 0, minus 3. Next to minus 6 into determinant expansion. So next to close this second column 6 minus 4 plus 1 into third column close, remaining 6 3s are 18 minus 0. This is the determinant expansion. Once again 1, neglect the corresponding row and corresponding column, remaining 0 minus 3. Next minus 6 into 6 minus 4. Next to 1 plus 1 into 6 3s are 18 minus 0. First principal minus next secondary. Alternate sign plus minus plus. This is the determinant expansion. Okay, right? Next to 1 by 2 into simplify 1 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 4 2 2 6 are 12 plus 1 into 18 simplify minus 3 plus 2 minus 12 minus 15 plus 18 3. So this is 3 by 2 18. If you give the unit, it is 3 by 2 square unit. So distribution of marks. If you write the area of triangle and substitute these points, you can get 1 marks. And next, the last answer, that is 3 by 2, they will give 1 marks. So first we have to write the formula and substitution. Formula and substitution carries 1 marks. The last correct answer carries 1 marks. So totally these type of questions are 2 marks question. Next one. Again we have to calculate the area of a triangle for these points. Minus 2, minus 3, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 8. So here they given again 3 points. Call the first point as x1, y1, second point as x2, y2, third point as x3, y3. So given what they given first point x1, y1, okay, second point x2, y2, third point x3, y3. Substitute the first minus 2 minus 3, second point 3, 2 and third point minus 1, minus 8. The area of triangle formula. So area equals half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Where x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the coordinates or vertices of a triangle. Right, substitute. So half into. What is x1? The first point. Minus 2, minus 3. Second point. Second point 3, 2. Third point minus 1, minus 8. First point minus 2, minus 3. Second point 3, 2. Third point minus 1, minus 8. Remaining 1, 1, 1. Half into expansion, okay, minus 2 into neglect the first row and corresponding column, so minus 2, minus 3, 1, neglect the first row, remaining close minus 2. For minus 2 expansion 2 minus into minus plus 8, 2 plus 8, minus into minus plus 3 into yes 3, minus into minus plus 1, plus 1 into, okay, plus 1 into, remaining 3 into minus 8, minus 24, minus into one more minus plus, plus 2 ones are 2, so big bracket close. Now simplification 1 by 2, okay, minus 2 into 8 plus 2, 10 plus 3 into 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1 into minus 24 plus 2 minus 20. Now simplification, yes, 1 by 2 into minus 2 into 10 minus 20 plus 3 4s are 12 plus into minus minus 20. Now simplification, 12 minus 22, 10 minus 10 minus 20 minus 30. So minus 30 by 2. So that is 30 by 2 means minus 50. The area is always positive, therefore area equals plus 50. Because I have to put modulus. Because area, volume, distance are all positive. Here negative is there, so you have to write positive. Okay. If you write minus 15, you have to lose 1 marks because area is always positive. Consider minus 15 as plus 50. Okay, again distribution of marks, formula and substitution carries 1 marks. For last answer, it carries 1 mark. Okay. Next one. Find the area of a triangle formed by the points 2, 7, 1, 1, 10, 8. So do yourself. You have to work it out. In the same way, you can calculate the area of a triangle, right? Next problem. Find the values of K. You have to calculate the value of K if the area of triangle is 4 square unit. Here they given area. So given. They given area equals 4 square units. And the vertices are K0, 4, 0, 0, 2. They given 3 vertices. So call the first point as x1, y1. Second point x2, y2. Third point x3, y3. So first point K0, second point 4, 0, third point 0, 2. And the area is they given here 4. This area is either positive or negative because modulus area is always positive. So if write modulus of 4, it may be minus 4 or plus 4, means plus or minus 4. Therefore, the area is not only 4, it may be either negative or positive. Therefore, the area is here plus or minus 4. You have to write plus or minus 4. Now we have formula area. So area equals as it is half into determinant x1, y1, x2, y2, then x3, y3, 1, 1, 1. So area equals half into x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. This is the area of a triangle formula. Substitute the value. Your area is plus or minus 4 equals 1 by 2. Substitute the points. First point K0, second point 4, 0, third point 0, 2, 1, 1, 1. Better cross multiply. 4 2s are 8. So it becomes plus or minus 8 equals expansion K into 0 minus 2 minus 0. 0 into something is 0. So don't write, it is bracket. Leave it. Plus 1 into, yes, 4 2s are 8 minus 0. Now simplify. K into minus 2 minus 0 into something 0 plus 1 into 8. Here plus or minus 8. Now simplify. Minus 2 into k minus 2k plus 8. Right here equals. Instead of here, you are writing here equals plus or minus 8. Plus or minus 8. Then you have to equate and find out the value of k. So equate minus 2k plus 8 equals first positive 8 or minus 2k plus 8 equals minus 8. Now simplify. Minus 2k equals 8 shift 8 minus 8 0 or minus 2k equals minus 8 minus 8 minus 16. Now simplify. K equals 0 by minus 2 or divided by 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So k equals 8. We got the value of k. Here 0 by minus 2 is what? 0 by something is 0. Therefore k equals 0. K equals 8. These are the values of k. This is also 2 marks question. Very important from point of examination. Very important from point of examination. So k equals 0, k equals 8. Here is also writing the area of a triangle and substitution carries 1 mark. Last answer for k equals 0, for k equals 8, for both of these it carries 1 mark. Here one mistake will happen. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ 4. ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ 4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರೀದಾಗಲೇ ಬರೀ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಬರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8. ಸೊ ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 0 ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. K equals 8 ಬರಲ್ಲ. If you write k equals 0, you can get half marks. No, in mathematics there is no half marks. Therefore, we have to lose 1 marks. ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು 4 ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ k equals 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. k equals 0 ಬಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ರೈಟ್ both the values of k. ನೀವು ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ k ಬರಬೇಕು. k equals 0, k equals 8 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆದರೂ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 marks. ಫಾರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 marks. Next one, find the values of k if the area of triangle is 4 square units and the vertices are -2, 0, 0, 4 and 0 k. We have to calculate the value of k. Here they given area, we have to calculate the value of k. ಇಲ್ಲಿ area of triangle ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We have to calculate k value, right? So given area of triangle is 4 square units. So 4 square units means this area is either positive or negative. ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು. Therefore you have to put plus or minus 4. Okay. The first point is -2, 0. Second point 0, 4. Third point 0 k. First point to x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, right? The area of triangle formula, area equals half into substitution. First formula x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. This is the area of a triangle formula. Substitute. So half into. What is the area? Plus or minus 4. Okay. x1 first point -2, 0. Second point 0, 4. Third point 0 k. That is 1, 1, 1. -4 into 2 plus or minus 8 equals -2 into expansion 4 minus k. Minus 0 into 0 to something 0, so don't write. Plus 1 into 0 minus 0. Now simplify. -2 into 4 multiply. -2 into 4, that is -8. Minus into minus plus 2k. 0 to something 0. 1 into 0 0. So drop. Remaining plus or minus 8. So next equate and solve. Okay. Next step, equate -8 plus 2k equals 8. -8 plus 2k equals 8. One more or r. What? -8 plus 2k equals -8. One positive value, one negative value. Simplify. 2k equals 8. -8 shift plus 8. 2k equals 8 plus 8, 16. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So we got the value of k equals 8. K value bantu. Next here, one more for r. 2k equals -8 shift plus 8. -8 plus 8, 0. So k equals 0 by 2. 0 by 2 infinity. Correct? No. 0 by 2 is a 0. 0 by something is 0. Anything by 0 is infinity. So 0 by something 0. Therefore k equals 0. So we got the values of k. That is k equals 0. K equals 8. So from the point of examination means distribution of marks, formula and substitution gives 1 mark. For both these value gives 1 mark. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆದರೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಎರಡೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ದ ಟೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬದಲೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ Find the values of k if the area of triangle is 35 square units and the vertices are 2 minus 6, 5, 4, k4. Here what they given and what we have to calculate. ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. First they given area of triangle is 35. They given area, so area is plus or minus 35. They given three vertices. The first one is 2 minus 6, second one 5, 4, third one is k4. Okay, so area equals we have formula 1 by 2, x1 by 1 1, x2 by 2 1, x3 by 3 1. Substitute. So area is plus or minus 35 equals half into determinant. Substitute the values. 2 minus 6, okay, 5, 4, k, 4, 1, 1, 1. Determinant. Cross multiply. 35 to the plus or minus 70 equals 2 into expansion 4 minus 4 minus 6, but minus into minus plus 6. 5 minus k plus 1 into, okay, 5 4s are 20 minus k into 4, 4k. This is determinant expansion. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಎಸ್ 2 into 4 minus 4 minus k minus plus 6 into 5 minus k plus 1 into 20 minus 4k. Now simplify. 2 into 4 minus 4 0 plus 6 into, better, multiply. 6 5s are 30 minus 6k plus 20 minus 4k. Simplify. 2 into 0 0, drop. 30 plus 20 50 minus 6k minus 4k minus 10k. Here plus or minus 7. Now equate and find the value of k. Okay, right here. First one 50 minus 10k equals 70 plus 70. Or 50 minus 10k equals minus 70. Simplify. Minus 10k equals 70 minus 50, 20. So 0 0 cancel. Minus k equals 2. Positive k equals minus 2. We got the value of k. Next one is or minus 10k equals minus 70 minus 50. Minus 70 minus 50 minus 120. 0 0 cancel. Minus k equals 12 minus 12. So minus k equals minus 12, minus minus cancel, k equals 12. We got the value of k equals minus 2 or k equals 12. So the value of k is minus 2 plus 12. So this type of problems are very important to the point of examination. It carries 2 marks question for CET and JEE. Also these questions are very important. So ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.